variables. A variable is a name that is assigned to a value. It can be a string, integer, or float. For example, the string apple can be assigned to the variable fruit by typing fruit equals, in quotes, apple, or the integer 4 can be assigned to the variable number by typing number equals 4. And of course, the float 6.0 can be assigned to number by typing number equals 6.0. Now the print function. So the print function can print something as an output. For example, if you type print in brackets and quotes hi, it would give an output that says hi. The print function can also print much more things such as variables, integers, and floats. For example, print in brackets 6 and print in brackets 293.7 would give an output of 6 and 293.7. We're going to look at some variables. So first we can have fruit equals banana. So banana is a string and it's assigned to fruit. So we press enter and then we can say print fruit and it should come out as banana. So banana comes out because fruit is a variable and the string banana is assigned to it. So when we tell the computer to print fruit, print means show or display fruit. So the fruit is banana, so it will say banana. Now you can assign a number as 4. So number is the variable and 4 is assigned to number. Then we can say print number and it should say 4. And then we can assign a float to this number, so we can use number again and we can assign it as 6.2. And then we say print number and it comes out as 6.2. Now we're gonna have a new variable called animal1. Animal1 can be a string called cat. And then animal2 is also a variable. It's assigned to a string called dog. So we could say print animal1 and it would come out as cat, or we could say print animal2 and it will come out as dog. But something else you can do is you can say print animal1 plus animal2, and let's see what that gives us. It says cat dog, because if we have animal1 plus animal2, that means combining these two strings together. Since animal1 and animal2 are variables, both assigned to strings, one's cat, one's dog, so if you combine them, it becomes cat dog. Or you could do something like print. You can add a string over here. So for example, I am a space quotes plus animal1. So if we enter that, it will say I am a cat, because this is a string. I am a in quotes is a string and animal1 is a string. So if we add these together, it will say I am a plus animal1, which is a cat. So that's what it will print. Also, something you can look at is this part over here. It has all the variables. So as you can see over here, it says animal1 string cat. So it means animal1 is a string and the text is cat, and animal2 is also a string, the text is dog, and fruit is a string, it's banana, somewhere we assigned it above, and number is a float 6.2, we assigned it over here. So this is a place where you can check all of your variables and see what types they are.